what is learn by doing in software development that we are going to follow in this course. Learn by doing. It is a software development process which refers to hands-on practical approach to learning how to code and build software. Instead of solely focusing on the theoretical knowledge, learners actively code, experiment, and solve real-world problems. Here are some key aspects of this approach. Project-based learning. Working on projects that mimic real-world applications helps reinforce concepts and teach practical skills. For example, building a small web app to learn a new framework or developing a mobile app to understand how to interact with APIs. Coding exercises. Solving coding challenges, participating in hackathons, or completing exercises can improve problem solving skills and understanding of algorithms and data structures. Pair programming. Collaborating with another developer to write code together can enhance learning through immediate feedback and knowledge sharing. Code reviews. Reviewing others' code and receiving feedback on your own code helps identify best practices, improve code quality, and learn new techniques. Experimentation. Trying out new libraries, frameworks, or tools in small projects to see how they work and to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Debugging and troubleshooting. Learning to debug code and troubleshoot issues is crucial. This often involves a lot of trial and error, which can be a valuable learning experience. Documentation and tutorials. Writing documentation or creating tutorials for what you have learned can reinforce your understanding and help others learn. Open source contributions. Contributing to open source projects can expose you to larger code bases, different coding styles, and community driven development practices. Building and deploying. Going through the entire software development lifecycle from initial idea to deployment provides a comprehensive understanding of how software is built, tested, and released. By engaging in these activities, developers can deepen their understanding, gain practical experience, and become more proficient in their craft.